Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm showing you how I got this brown smoky eye and full face tutorial. Just like in my last video, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm using the Morphe 25B Bronzed Mocha palette. For this tutorial, I switched it up and started by doing my eyebrows first. So I started with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. I like to put hair-like strokes in the front of my brows and then drag it out to the natural arch. As a brow gel, I use Maybelline Great Lash in Clear. Now I'm putting the shade Shy on a Morphe brush to put on my eyelids as a base. For transition, I used the shade Seek. I'm focusing this color on the outer corner and dragging it in. Now I'm packing the shade Most onto a small brush to apply to my outer corner. With the G24 Morphe brush, I'm taking the shades Bots and Quake, and I'm going to apply it on top of Most and use it to blend.
Too easily, I'd fall in love too fast.
Once those shades are blended out, take the shade Effort and apply it to the outer V with a small brush again.
For love to ever last, I fall in love too easily.
Now with a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend all the colors together. For the lower lash line, I mixed the shades Most and Seek. Now I'm using a Morphe G19 to apply some of the shade Character in my inner corner. To clean under my eyebrows, I'm using the shade Shy on a small packing brush. For false lashes, I use the Kiss Look So Natural lashes, and first I'm going to measure them to my eye and then cut off excess. Here I'm using Duo Eyelash Glue in dark tone.
I'd fall in love too fast. fall in love too terribly hard for love to ever last. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly.
To prime my face for foundation, I use the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray. The foundation I'm using is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in the shade Fairlight Neutral. I'm buffing in the foundation with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. This brush is really good and affordable, and it doesn't leave any streaks on your face. I finally went out and bought the Tarte Shape Tape, and I got the shade Fair Neutral. To blend it, I'm using a mini beauty blender. As usual, I'm using the Coty Airspun powder to set my concealer. I'm using a cream contour today, and it's the Anastasia contour stick in the shade Shadow. This contour stick always has trouble blending out with my foundation, so I go in and use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance drops over top. I'm blending the contour upwards to create a more natural look using the Real Techniques Deluxe Concealer Brush. Blending contour downwards will create the illusion of your face dragging down more, and it just won't look as natural as if you blend it up. The excess setting powder should be ready to come off at this point, so I'm using a big Morphe brush to wipe away the bake. I'm using a darker blush for this look, so I'm going to use the Coastal Scents Forever blush. This is a matte blush in the shade Fresh. For a highlighter, I'm using the lightest shade in the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I'm using a Morphe brush to put it on my cheeks. The entire face is complete, so I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water to set it all. I'm using a liquid lipstick, and it's the NYX Lingerie in the shade Exotic. This shade is more on the natural red side, and it pairs well with the smoky eye. Thanks for watching. As usual, leave a like and subscribe for more content. I will probably be posting about once a month, and if anything, it'll just go up from there. See ya!